Beauty Mart. A little more than Dr. said, now the ringer not know. What a ringer song.
Please like, subscribe, comment, and on notification bell for more updated videos.
So you must.
I want to eat rice and chicken.
So you must eat
And dip
full, right?
dip the chicken in
Wow.
the soup.
Really?
Really?
So you must eat a lot, okay?
Okay.
Don't eat a little. See? Just now you eat a little, that's why you're easy to get hungry. So, is Tonyang favorite tita. Huh? Who's Tonyang favorite tita? Tita who?
You.
What's my name? You forgot my name.
Tita Maita.
What are you always watching? You're always watching.
Some videos.
What videos?
Cash and Nico.
Uh-huh.
And I always watch for babies. Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
And a scary Peppa Pig movie.
Why?
And I want to have a fight with Peppa Pig. So, I always watch some Roblox. I always game Roblox and Kakaboka. I always do like that.
Really?
Yeah.
But I'm not really a fan of Roblox.
Why?
Because I don't like how they talk. How do they talk? I don't like how they talk.
I always annoy when they're talking.
Why? But you always love to watch them.
I always watch them. When they finish, I always annoy them. I don't look at them.
Really?
Only my friends, only the Roblox say, only all of my friends. I always just say, let's go play Roblox. Do like that. I'll pick on them and then I'll tell them, let's go play Roblox.
You remember this place?
What? Yeah. Are you ready to go here?
What did we do here?
Eat and buy
Dance,
toys.
right?
Yeah, eat and buy toys.
Really?
Yeah.
What can I do?
my-
You always ask me.
My auntie
Hmm.
buy me toys and I want to buy a turtle. Because me and my
But
auntie,
you're bigger already. I think you don't need a lot of toys.
I need
You
to
need
buy a
makeup, lipstick.
pet turtle.
A pet turtle you have?
I have a real turtle but I didn't buy.
Really?
Because Papa don't like to buy. Because I will go in the
Nobody will take her with the
in
pet.
the Philippines. Me and Mama will go in the Philippines, but Papa don't like to take her the turtle. Papa said that turtle
You
will
cannot bring.
musun.
No, you cannot bring that in the Philippines because it's wildlife.
So now
It
I'll
needs a lot
hide.
of papers. You need to pay a lot.
I'll hide it in my bag.
No, you cannot do that.
Why?
Because they will see it. The X-ray machine will see it. Oh, somebody bring a turtle in the airport. If you get caught, you need to pay a lot.
Mama didn't have money.
But if you want to,
I wanna.
then you need to follow the rules.
I'll pay me.
Oh,
I'll pay my bag.
you know, it's not enough. You need to pay a lot.
I can take my shoes and take my shoes and take I'll put the shoes, I'll give them the shoes. If they have a baby, I'll put it in the shoes, put them in the bag, and they give them my food.
You miss your mama?
Why?
Why?
I miss Mama so much when Papa is here. And Mama is not following me.
But now, who you miss? Who
You.
you miss now?
You.
Who?
You.
You miss me. I'm going to the Philippines. See you there.
Okay. I
Okay.
don't know where is my house.
Huh?
You don't know where's my house.
I know your house. I'm gonna find it.
It's Glen B. Black 3, Black 8, Black flat.
Really?
Yeah.
I can easily find it.
And a bit in the
See, I even find your house here.
here.
Yeah. Remember? I find your house.
I broke this little baby.
Don't broke the baby.
I already broke it.
No, don't
Really?
broke it.
I
Don't
did.
broke it.
I broke the
You
little
still want to
baby.
play with me? You play a
Yeah.
lot before.
When I was a baby,
Yeah. You're still a baby that time. It's like how many years?
I was still a baby. I always cry. Mama always billing me with kuya.
It's like 1 year ago, right?
Yeah, I still cry.
Really?
Yeah, I still cry when Mama billing me with kuya.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why you need to cry? You don't need to cry.
I miss Mom.
But you're big girl now. You don't need to cry a lot. So we're going here. Remember this mall?
Yeah!
So, stop over there.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Shusha.
What you're wanting? You know how to count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow. Show the lipstick.